Um, Hi, I purchased this remote control. Um, is supposed to be a universal remote. I placed the batteries in it. Uh, Batteries are good. I've never used these batteries before. Well, I think this came with the batteries. I'm not sure. Or maybe mine. But I've placed the batteries in it, and it never worked. Like I said, I showed the inside. I don't even think the inside is properly stored. It's properly uh, works. Let's see, I don't see nothing that will connect. Nothing. And it shows you which way the battery's supposed to go. And the plus N, which I put. This is plus N. Plus N. The battery's in. Nothing. Nothing. No lights. Not some flash. Never worked. I tried to hook it up to my TV. I think it was supposed to say. I think it was. Yeah. I think it was. Okay. I don't know what happened. Well, I looked this up. I think it was supposed to be back. I think it was. Whatever, it don't work. It don't work. Never worked. I tried it when I first got it, all kinds of ways. It never worked.